Here are the next four, or the last four gear blanks turned up, ready to go. As you can see, everything seems to be lining up in terms of gears and stuff, so that's nice to see. As you can see, 3 different speeds. If you can see that, I've cut a crown on that one. This is for the drive belt to the governor, so hopefully 3 degrees each side is enough to keep that belt on central. This one has the part for the gear slider. So next job is to cut the keyways and then cut the teeth. Wow, what a long road that was, cutting all these. My goodness me. Still, they're all done now. These ones, really nice meshing, as you can hear. Couldn't be more happy with them ones, to be honest. Tiny bit, maybe a bit too loose. I would tighten them up, but these ones need fettling. These ones won't actually engage, so they need a tiny bit filed off each tooth. These ones I had to do a little bit of fettling, but they're actually running quite nice now. There's a little donk at some point, but I'm thinking that will tighten up maybe once they're keyed. So I'm happy with them as they are, and obviously once the grease gets on there, it should tighten up a little bit. So if you see this is the main drive gear. It's actually just rubbing on that, so I've got to take a little bit off that corner. But really, the next job is to cut the keyways, mark the keyways on the shaft, cut the keyways on, mark the keyways on this one, and yeah, on that one. The keyways are already cut on the crankshaft, as you can see. I've just got to do the 4 keys in the gears. Other than that, it's going strong and looking good, I think. Alright, so lately I've been working on gear selectors, gears. As you can see there, I've put all the keys in now, and yeah, sliding really nice. No play at all sideways, so yeah, it's going to be a good one. I've got another one to do on the crankshaft like that, or another 2 to do, as you can see there. And then yeah, it'll be onto the selector forks and guides.